The third annual Glendale Tech Week featured 7 jam-packed days of all-you-can-tech. Over 3,500 entrepreneurs, funders, startup founders, and leaders in a variety of industries gathered in downtown Glendale to participate in our action-packed lineup. Over 30 sessions featured panels and talks with experts, a career fair, VC matching, mentoring and networking opportunities, VR and AR experiences, mixers, and more. Plus, this year's Glendale Tech Week included 9 events for youth and families. The region's growing tech industry showed up in full force to discuss the latest in artificial intelligence, bio and health tech, machine learning, digital media and marketing, software design, virtual reality, cybersecurity, robotics, and more. PitchFest, our very own Shark Tank-style startup competition, did not disappoint, as 11 finalists competed for a $60,000 prize package. With over 300 jobs up for grabs, hundreds of job seekers flocked to the Tech Career Fair hosted by the Verdugo Job Center. Recruiters from some of the region's top employers, including Age of Learning, Service Titan, Caltech, LegalZoom, .818, and Phonexa, were on site in search of fresh talent. Entrepreneurs had a variety of opportunities to connect with VC funders throughout the week and during Meet the Funders, a speed networking event where startups had valuable face time with potential investors. Glendale Tech Week would not be possible without the support of local businesses and tech firms including Avery Dennison, .818, Phonexa, Downtown Glendale Association, Glendale Arts, Service Titan, Lanier Group, Applied Earth Sciences, the GCC Professional Development Center, Adventist Health, and GWP. Glendale Tech Week is all about bringing together ideas, capital, and talent to foster mutually beneficial connections. But we didn't forget to factor in some fun. In addition to a handful of mixers that took place throughout the week, over 500 attendees joined us for our closing party and tech awards at the Americana at Brand. Join us for our monthly Tech on Tap meetups to continue the conversation. And download our podcast to get your tech fix on the go. Sign up for Glendale Tech updates at GlendaleTechWeek.com. Stay connected on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.